Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you if your YouTube app is not loading video on the home tab on your iPhone. Maybe it's just blank, buffer or not refreshing. Don't worry. In this video I will show you simple fix that actually work. First, make sure your internet is good. Try opening Safari and search something. If it doesn't load, switch to another Wi-Fi or turn on mobile data. Also try using airplane mode, turn off and on. This refreshes your network. Next, fully close YouTube app. Swipe up from the bottom, remove the app from recent app and reopen it. Sometimes YouTube just gets stuck and need a quick reset. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone. YouTube servers might be down. Search YouTube down detector on Safari. If many people report problem, you just need to wait. This tricks fix the blank home page for many users. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on upload app, then reinstall it. Don't worry, your data stays safe. This just clears the temporary file. Sometimes a quick restart to your phone also clears the hidden system bug. If nothing works, try resetting your network setting. This reset Wi-Fi and mobile network, which often fix loading issues. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.